Hi guys, I wanted to present or demo you a software that we use to test multiple prompts across multiple models in our development process when we are implementing pipelines for our clients. And this is important because lots of times multiple models have different ways of reasoning, their speed, their total API call time, etc. And depending on the use case, we need different capabilities. So we use this suite to test our prompts, etc. We have three major features, and I'll demo them very fast. Uh, First is, of course, nothing is stored. You have to pay for your replicate credits. It is built on replicate. You use your key, and all the calls go through your own account. You don't really have to pay us. The sessions you see on the left side, and they're all stored locally, right? And I'll just start a new example for you to, I believe, I'll use that to demo. Anyways, first thing you're going to do is you go into LLMs. You choose the models that you're going to work with. You choose, let's say, O4 Mini, GPT-4 1, Kimi K2, DeepSeek R1, Gemini 3 Pro, and let's use an open source model too, right? I've selected all the models that I want to use. I'm going to ask it how many R's are there in the word strawberry. Very common example for testing AI models. Anyways, so once you run these tests, it sends your prompt through all of the models and shows you necessary responses. So it says 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3. DeepSeek is slow. And that is still a very good marker of how to use, like whether you should use that model or not. So you can see the time it took for all the models to run. And yeah, now beyond that, you can either do a follow-up conversation. Are you sure? I thought there were only two, so I'm going to force it to maybe go wrong. Let's see if a model can go wrong. Anyways, all the models will reply. They show you their reasoning. Now here you can do a full follow-up conversation for all models, but if you want to do a follow-up conversation with only one model, you can do that, but you have to wait for the all the models to respond before you do that. 1 minute, please. Okay, so if you click continue, you'll be able to continue your conversation with DeepSeek R1, stuff like that. Those are the two major features. And the third most important one for the developers is, of course, when you're working with AI pipelines, your model is not present at a static level. You cannot copy it. It is developed at runtime. And what we have for that is this push to prompt, right? Like it's a push mechanism. It's a standard URL you get. You send your post request via this method. No authentication necessary. So I imagine this is your code, right? This is a support ticket classifier, and here's your actual LLM call. What you do is, before your LLM call, you're going to enter your session URL, etc., right? And what it will do is it will send your, what happened? 1 minute. What it will do is it will run this call first, and it will send your dynamic prompt to this. Let's see, you see it here. It's right in the text box. You didn't have to form your dynamic query. And once again, you can choose the models that you want to test, O1, O4, and you continue with that. And this we believe this would help a lot of people, and I look forward to you guys using it, and I hope this is useful for you. Thank you very much.